Good Friday afternoon. I'm Hannah Drum with your weekend weather update. If you're like me and you're ready for this pollen to go away, I've got some good news for you. We are expecting some storms and possibly we can see that pollen wash away. Right now in Athens, we're looking at about 72 degrees. No sign of rain yet, but we are expecting that later in the afternoon. This is kind of the calm before the storm, so to speak. The low this morning was only about 55 degrees. Just with a little bit of wind coming from the south this morning. Now, if you're looking forward to the rest of your day, you can see the scattered showers are going to remain throughout. We have about a 60% chance of rain all day long. The temperatures are going to increase up into almost the 80s and then return for your overnight low at about 64. Overnight in Athens, we are expecting these scattered showers to continue. But if you have Saturday morning plans, no worries, they are expected to be gone by then. Your low of tonight is going to be about 57 degrees, again with those scattered showers expected throughout. But tomorrow, that sun will return again, partly cloudy outside. You're going to see your high around 79, maybe even up into the 80s. Still a small chance of precipitation, but nowhere near what we're looking at today. So, looking at our local radar, you can see that the storm hasn't hit us yet. It's out to our neighbors in the west, but it is coming our way. And you can see we're not the only city that's going to experience rain. Many of our neighbors are as well. Looking at this regional radar, you can see all of this coming from the west and coming into the southeast, going to hit us in the next couple of hours. This is nothing serious again, just a couple of scattered rain showers. But looking ahead to our 5-day forecast, as I've already talked about today, your highest chance of scattered showers throughout the week, as you can see, we're still going to have about a 20% chance for the next couple of days, but today is your best chance of rain if you were really wanting it. Temperatures for this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you're going to see the higher 70s up into the lower 80s with the low around the mid-50s up into the 60s. Monday and Tuesday, you can see those temperatures are getting higher. Monday's high is 85 with a low of 60, and then Tuesday with a high of 83 and a low of 61. Now, this isn't on the map, but up into next week, we're actually looking at 90 degrees towards the end of the week. So be looking forward to your first spring day of 90 degrees. And taking a look at our national map, we aren't the only ones expected to see storms today. You can see they're coming in from the west and hitting the southeast corner. And like I said, we'll be here shortly. Now for a look at your 5-day forecast. Saturday, the high is 79 and the low around 54. You can see Sunday looks almost identical. The high is going to be in the lower 80s. And the low is going to be in the 60s. You're going to see that 20% chance of rain stay throughout the week next week. But as you can see with Monday and Tuesday, we are seeing warmer temperatures. And later into next week, we might see the first chance of 90-degree weather this spring. So it is continuing to get warmer.